Welcome to part 5 of building your layout, adding buildings, trees and foliage. Once all the glue is dried and you are happy with the overall scenic finish, you can now add the buildings, trees and foliage to your layout. All you have to do is position the buildings in the areas marked. Both the track mat and MIDI mat show the snap together buildings that are included in the building extension packs. However, Hornby's scale down range features a vast variety of buildings that can easily and simply be added as a replacement, and where once again you can stamp your individuality on your layout. Place and glue down any walls you may have. Using the MIDI mat or track mat as a guide, position the trees on the layout and glue them in place using the Scale sceniced glue or a suitable impact adhesive. Of course, you may wish to add more trees, hedges and other scenic effects, so there's no need for you to be constrained by what is shown on either the MIDI mat or the track mat. It's your layout, so why not make it more individual? For bushes and hedgerows, once again Scale Scenics have a suitable selection to choose from. Lichen makes excellent bushes. By separating the lichen into various sized pieces, then gluing them into position on your layout using PVA wood glue and allowing to dry, you can quickly cover gardens and hedgerows with a realistic canopy of different coloured pieces of vegetation. Once you're happy with your foliage, the next step is to populate your layout. Click here to watch the next video.